So, this video is meant to show how a Rayocomp PS10 can be updated. First, you should check if an update is necessary at all. To do this, turn on the device and then navigate to the Info menu. To do this, press the Mode button repeatedly until we are in the Info section. So, then, it is indicated here at the top which version number the device currently has, namely 0270. So, whenever a higher version number is available, you should update the device to be able to use all functionalities. To update a Rayocomp PS10 Plus, you need the new software files on an SD card. The entire equipment for updating a Rayocomp PS10 is, so to speak, on board and is located here behind this panel, which I will now simply open with a Phillips screwdriver, and then I can easily take out the equipment from this panel. So here it is included. That means what I need for the update is this SD card reader or writer and the actual SD card, which is then also located in the device. So, in the next step, it is now necessary to load the 4 update files onto this SD card. For this, you insert this SD card into the SD card reader. This is done very easily and without force. Very easy, as I said, and then plug this USB stick into the USB port of your computer. So, the SD card reader is now plugged into the USB port of the computer. And we can now go to the download area on www.ryonex.de or internationally on www.ryonex-biomedical.de, where you can find the update files. So, these update files are visible here on the screen. There are a total of 4, and the recommendation is to download all 4 individually. After downloading these files, they will be available in your designated download folder. So, here are the 4 downloaded files. These are now being copied to the SD card reader so that they are also available on the SD card. So, now we are back and have saved the 4 update files onto this SD card. Now we remove the card again, insert it into the appropriate SD card slot at the back of the Rayocomp PS10 Plus. Please do everything gently, and it just makes immediately. And then this SD card is locked in place. So, and now we can begin the actual update process. So, we now have the Rayocomp PS10 Plus in front of us. The SD card is inserted in the back. We will now turn on the device to start the update process. So, after booting, we first press the Mode button to go to Setup. You can see it here, and now you need to enter the number 55. OK. So, now you need to enter here which update mode should be used. Please use the number 2 first. Just press it, and from now on, this update process will begin. So that means, now the first file is being updated. This update process does not take very long, and is then completed relatively quickly. We always have an acoustic signal in parallel, which you can hear to indicate that the update process is still ongoing. So, the first step of the update is now already completed. The device restarts automatically once more, and now the main update begins by going to Setup again, here, then entering 55 again saying OK and now entering the number 4 here. And when I press 4, the entire update process of the device starts. And here too, you can hear an acoustic signal repeatedly, which indicates that the update process is continuing. At the beginning, it's a bit louder, then it gets a bit quieter, and this can really take a few minutes, up to 15 minutes. And we'll time it now and come back when the update process is completed. For your reference, we'll just let the time run here. That's now 1 minute 40. Now the first update process has already run. The second one is now running. You can hear it by a slightly changed beep, which is now a bit shorter and also a little quieter. So now, after about 10 minutes, this update process is complete. To verify that the new software version 73 has indeed been installed, you can go to Mode under the Info menu, and then the version number should now also appear here. 73 should be displayed, so the device has been completely updated correctly. So, for the sake of good order, after the update, which has just been carried out, both the SD card reader and the SD card should then be inserted back into the designated slot. Alright, and then we screw that in again. So, and with that, we are sure that for the next update, all the tools for the update will be available again.